So today we're going to show you how to remove an attachment from the front of a Ventrac 4520Y. The first thing we need to make sure is that we're in zero weight transfer. Second thing is we're going to lower the attachment all the way to the ground, put it into float, and then we're going to make sure there's no pressure left in our couplers on the side. I'm going to get off the machine. As we walk around, we're going to remove our PTO belt. We're going to remove our couplers. And then we're going to get back onto the machine, unlatch our attachment hooks, start the machine back up, and drive away.